If you've ever tried baking sourdough bread at home and ended up with a dense, flat loaf that looks nothing like the beautiful artisan bread you see online, you know how frustrating it can be. The truth is, most home bakers fail not because they lack skill, but because they're missing the right tools. Today, I'm showing you the LINMAGCO Dutch Oven for bread baking, a complete sourdough bread baking supplies starter kit that includes everything you need to bake bakery-quality bread right in your own kitchen. If you want this LINMAGCO Dutch Oven for bread baking, I left the link in the description and in the product section below. This isn't just a Dutch oven. This is a professional baking set that solves every single problem beginners face when learning to bake sourdough. You get a 3.6 quart oval cast iron Dutch oven with lid, an 11-inch oval bread proofing basket, and an entire collection of tools, including a dough whisk, dough slicer, scraper, flour mat, kneading mat, silicone gloves, cleaning brush, egg brush, scissors, cloth cover, and even a user manual with recipes. Everything arrives in one box, ready to help you create crusty, professional-looking sourdough loaves from day one. Let me explain why this set works so well. The cast iron Dutch oven is the secret weapon professional bakers use at home. It's crafted from heavy-duty cast iron that delivers exceptional heat retention and even distribution. When you bake sourdough inside this pot, the lid traps steam, which creates that signature crispy, crackly crust while keeping the interior moist and fluffy. The pot is pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, giving you an enhanced non-stick surface right out of the box and adding authentic flavor to your bread. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the perfect temperature range for artisan bread baking. But here's where it gets even better. This Dutch oven offers versatility and convenience beyond just bread. The pot and lid separate, so you can use them together as a traditional Dutch oven, or you can use each piece independently. Toast sourdough in the deep pot, sear chicken or make French fries, or flip the lid over and use it as a shallow pan for steaks, burgers, or vegetables. Whether you're cooking on a kitchen stovetop, induction cooktop, in the oven, on a grill, or even outdoors over a campfire, this cast iron handles it all beautifully. The complete sourdough kit includes tools specifically designed to make bread baking easier and more successful. The proofing basket is made from food-grade materials that hold the shape of your dough while it rises and leave an elegant spiral pattern on the finished loaf. That's how bakeries get those beautiful designs. The dough whisk mixes ingredients efficiently without overworking the dough, which is critical for achieving the right texture. The stainless steel dough cutter is perfect for shaping, cutting, and manipulating dough with precision. And the food-grade silicone kneading mat provides a non-stick surface that makes working with sticky sourdough dough so much easier. What I love most about this set is how it removes all the guesswork. When you're learning to bake sourdough, there's so many variables that can go wrong. But with the right tools, you eliminate most of those problems. The proofing basket ensures your dough holds its shape. The cast iron creates the perfect baking environment. The kneading mat keeps everything from sticking. The dough tools help you handle the dough correctly. Every piece works together to set you up for success. This is perfect for anyone who wants to start baking sourdough, but feels overwhelmed by all the equipment you supposedly need. It's also ideal for experienced bakers who want to upgrade their tools, or for anyone looking for a thoughtful gift for the bread lover in their life. Whether you're a complete beginner following the included recipes or a sourdough enthusiast ready to elevate your bread-making journey, this kit has everything you need. One important care tip: after cooking, always hand wash your cast iron with warm water and a soft sponge. Avoid abrasive scrubbers that can damage the seasoned surface. Towel dry thoroughly and brush with a light coating of cooking oil. Never air dry, as moisture can cause damage. With proper care, this cast iron will last decades and actually improve with age. If you're ready to bake sourdough bread that looks and tastes like it came from a professional bakery, don't miss out. Grab yours today. The purchase link is available in the description below. Click it now, add this to your cart, and start your sourdough journey with all the tools you need for success. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews of kitchen tools that actually deliver results. Drop a comment and let me know if you've tried baking sourdough before or if this will be your first loaf. Thanks for watching and happy baking.